This is the G-eBike, a foldable electric bicycle with a large clear display, 3 buttons to increase the speed and turn on lights. The G-eBike is a chainless bike. This means that there are no flexible traction elements like a chain. Instead, there are gears. These gears are so compact inside this molded frame that you won't see anything and you will not deal with dirt. The bike is designed for commuters. The battery capacity is just below the range allowed to be carried on airplanes. Here you see the entire traction system. The gear drive is inside this molded frame, so therefore you don't see anything of its clean and efficient traction system.